In today's video, I'll show you how to install OpenIV for GDFI Enhanced. So you can start installing mods. Check my video description for these two download link. Once download done, double click on OpenIV setup and .exe inside language and select continue. Select I accept the terms of as agreement inside continue. Select continue and install the default location and select yes option. Once this installation done, close stuff here and open the OpenIV. Select Windows, just close stuff here before selecting the GTA 5. And now right click on this open for enhanced zip and select WinRAR and select open with WinRAR. Open this OpenIV enhanced. Right click on the game and select open file location. Drag and drop this exe inside of GTA 5 enhanced folder. Password type 123 and select OK. Once you drop this GTA 5.exe, close stuff here and open OpenIV. Select the Windows under GTA 5. Select the browse option and navigate to GTA 5 enhanced folder and select folder option and select continue. Again select continue. And now you can able to install mods without having any problem. I hope this video helped you. If the video helped you, don't forget to leave a like and subscribe. Thank you.